Hey guys, Jason here. So, if this was probably in any other account that people weren't following along with, I would not likely move these guys out. But at the point where we're dipping down and we're now in the money on our 1060s and getting pretty close with our 1050s, in case we see sell off the rest of the day and maybe tomorrow, I don't want to put anybody in a position of blowing this up. So um, we're going to get these guys rolled out and make sure we know how to do that. What you guys actually do, completely up to you. So we'll go down here, hit our positions, and we will select, we'll select both of these guys, go to quick roll. And then this defaults to rolling it out, just a week, but we're going to want to roll this guy out a little bit more. We'll give it a couple more weeks here. And we'll take a look. Let's see. We'll collapse that guy and look at our December 17th. I don't think the 23rds have $5 increments. So we'll go to the 17th. I want to give this time for whatever happens on the downside, and then so we'll have a chance for it to bounce back up. I wish I would have done this a few minutes ago. We may need to pay a debit here, but we'll try to grab a credit. So we'll just hit continue. Here's our estimated fees. Try to grab $20 a piece. We'll submit that order and we'll let this go for a little bit. Sometimes it's not quite as quick on Tasty. And we'll jump into the small account, tap to trade, and same thing, we'll get this guy rolled out as well. So we'll go ahead and roll these guys out as well. And we're going to go out to the same date. So, you can only grow your account as fast as basically the market is going to let you. So it'll be a little bit slow on this. And yeah, this thing is just kind of popping all over the place, but we'll see if we can grab a $20 credit here as well. And so we'll see if that guy gets filled. See what so this is working here. Mid is 25, limit is 20. Okay, we got one of them filled, and I think we got both of them filled. Let's dismiss that. Okay, so we got filled here, and see if this guy got filled. Still working on this one. $20 credit. We probably need to replace this. Let me just take a look at what Tesla is doing. Yeah, because if we go down a bit, we just need more time. That's all. Oops. Activity. That's what we want to go to. Still working on this one. So what I'm going to do, just to get this rolled out so we can go to work, we're going to click on this, hit replace, and right here where you can change the credit, we'll ask for a little bit less credit and go ahead and submit the order. And we will view working and filled. See if that got we got two of them moved out. So we should just be able to hang on for a little bit. If they happen to not get filled, let me look at this. These should fill, unless we come down another few dollars here. We may not. So we'll go to activities and we'll replace this. Grab a couple less dollars. And I think we need to change this down to 2 since we already got 2 filled. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and hit this and then clear the order. Yes, we're going to clear. Go back into our positions. Oh, that's right. Are we flipping between them? Cancel. Filled. Working. Now it's only wanting to give us $10 or $20. Yeah, and we're coming down there pretty good, so $5. There we go. You already have a closing order. I usually don't have to do this because I play super far out of the money on my other ones. All right, view one working order. I need to cancel this. Cancel. Yes, I want to cancel this order. There we go. Dismiss. Select these two again in November. A quick roll. Go out to the 17th. Everything there looks good. Showing a lot of credit here. But I just want to get it filled. Let's see if I can grab $15 credit. Submit the order. And there we go. All right, so now we're sitting with the 1060s, December 17th on our IRA. And on this one, now we're sitting December 17th on our 1050. And there we go. Wow, 1046. Yeah, that's taking a good dump. So good thing we did this. All right, guys. Let's see. I want to screenshot these. And I don't know why I'm recording this. But there's our partial fill. Whoops. And there we go. All right. Now it's a big, long sit and wait and see what Tesla does. All right, guys. Love you. Let's hope this all ends up super fantastic. If we end up down, if we somehow touch below 1,000, I'm selling off some of my Coca-Cola and other stocks to play some more Tesla. All right, guys. Love you. Questions? Let me know. I'll do my best.